Okay, so here's my little weird noise problem here. You can hear this. Just gonna turn the gain up a little. You hear that kind of popping. Turn the gain down. So, just the filter. I'm not sure what that is. It sounds like I'm filtering noise. But I don't have anything patched in here. There's nothing patched into this filter. So if I go to the output here, it's the same thing. I can hear filtered noise. Again, nothing patched in. Here's when I touch the cutoff. With the resonance all the way down, I still hear it. So if I unplug the modular, no more. It's only when it's plugged in.